My name is Rebecca.
Rebecca. Okay.
I'm Rebecca. No, I'm Rebecca.
So you guys are both named Rebecca, okay? This is Emmers, or Emily, okay? Hey everybody.
This is parenting class. Welcome. Introduce your names. I'm Courtney and this is Rebecca.
Okay.
This is Janie and it's my baby.
Okay. Emily, not Mimi. Okay, so today we're learning about a couple things. Okay. Okay, the first thing we're learning about is how to hold your baby. Ready? Okay. You guys are holding them like this. This is all wrong. No. Okay, look on the back. Look on the back of your baby. Right here. On the back. You lift up on that, and this is the best way to carry a baby. Now let's practice, everybody. Okay. Walk around with your babies. Okay. Walk around with your babies.
This is easy.
Yes, it is. Very easy. See, it's better than going like this. Okay, ready? We're gonna learn how to throw your baby up in the air and catch him. Ready? Okay, ready? And then you're picking up oh my god! I am so sorry. Okay, sorry. And yeah, oh yeah, to wake him up. I just showed you. You guys know what it is. Shake him. Shake him.
Wake
Shake
up.
him.
Wake up.
Shake
Wake
him.
up.
Shake
Wake
him.
up.
Shake him. Gotta dance. Come on, guys. Dance. Yeah.
Dance. Wake up.
Wake up. Wake up. And they're awake. Now ready? Alright, look it. Grab your legs. Grab your legs. Grab your knee like this. And throw on the ground.
Are you sure that?
Yeah.
I know. I've spent my $100
Come on.
wisely on you.
Okay, now grab him by the stomach. Okay, then go cha 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 cha. This is how to clean the poop out of them. Okay, ready? Up on the ground. Okay, ready? How to get all of the gas out of them. Sit on their face. Okay, good. Get the gas out of you. Get the gas out of you. That's so weird. Bad. You're not supposed to make something weird.
Bad, baby.
Oh, bad baby.
Bad.
Stupid. Hey, dog. Okay, be right back, guys.
In the front.
Okay.
Look at these bugs.
Everybody grab your babies.
Look at.
Here.
Oh.
I was gonna who's on your baby?
This is how to kill.
You're like a bug magnet.
This is how to
Take
kill a
off-
bug.
Whoa.
This is how to kill a bug.
Yeah, it is how to kill a bug. You're disgusting. I don't like you. Okay. Drop that child. Drop that.
Okay. This is the baby.
Dance with the babies. Come on.
This is a baby.
Woo!
Let's see how
This is a session. Come on. Dance with your babies.
Let's see how we can throw our babies.
Ah, you hit me in the ear.
This is how.
This is
how to clean your baby's mouth.
Yeah. Right here. Okay. Show everybody how to clean the babies. Dunk their head in the water. You know, kind of drown them a little bit. Okay.
So that's what.
Okay.
You still got a bare head.
Ugh. Look at that water dripping off them. We gotta throw them at the grass to dry off. Dry off, baby. Okay. Okay. Everybody's babies are dried off, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna learn how to have. My baby's not dry. Okay. Now we're gonna learn how to have fun with your baby. Okay. Everybody, get up. Good job. Snickers, get over here. Come on.
Hi, Snickers.
Come, giraffe. Hey, now go lay down.
Lay down.
Sit on you. Okay. Okay, this is how to have fun with your babies, okay? So you bring them down by the dog's butt, okay? And then you have a dog butt right there, okay? Okay. And you launch them back as far as you can like this. Watch. Okay. Try it. Oh!
I win.
Okay, my baby doesn't like you. Grab your baby, and then you gotta throw it again, ready? They're gonna hit me with it. Yeah, that's a baby. Ready? Point. Ready? Get with my baby!
baby!